Good morning, Washington. It's Mrs. Laird here. I have a very special book for you today in honor of the upcoming holiday on Sunday. Does anybody know what that is? Our book today is called Tiny, the Wisconsin Easter Bunny. Take a look at Tiny. Looks a little suspicious, don't you think? All right, here we go. I'm going to get started with Tiny, the Wisconsin Easter Bunny. This book is written by Eric James and illustrated by Sarah Sanchez. Slide over a little bit here. One bright Easter morning, while out for a jog, Tiny hears, "Help! I'm stuck in a log." He scratches his head thinking, who could that be? It sounded like Fluff. I'd better go see. Fluff's in a log with her feet in the air. Hey, Fluff, what on earth are you doing in there? A sad little voice from an echoey space says, I thought this would make a good egg hiding place. You poor Easter bunny, says Tiny while giggling. I'll get you out. Hold tight and stop wiggling. Tiny pulls hard using all of his might. He tries and he tries, but his friend is stuck tight. My eggs, sighs poor Fluff. Who'll deliver them now? I'll do it, says Tiny. Fluff laughs and asks, how? Don't worry, dear Fluff. Leave it all up to me. I watched you last Easter. How hard could it be? This bunny looks funny. Yes, something is wrong. His feet are too big. His nose is too long. His skin isn't furry, it's wrinkled and rough. His tail is too thin, and it's not made of fluff. He's traveled through Green Bay and Racine already. He's all in a puff, and his legs feel unsteady. He hops, then he stops, then he hops a bit more, then he stops all the hopping and flops to the floor. Hello, squeaks a mouse in his fake bunny ear. Oh my, how you've grown since I met you last year. I'm Marvin, remember? You're running quite late. I'll help if you like. Tiny nods and says, great. They head down to Madison, rush through the streets, delivering handfuls of chocolatey treats. Next, Eau Claire, Milwaukee, and Williams Bay, too. There's not much time left, but there's so much to do. Speed up, Marvin squeaks, or we'll finish too late. Dig under that hedge, hop over that gate. This Door County house has a fence all around. Poor Tiny tries digging down into the ground, but the hole is too small, or his body's too big. How odd, Marvin thinks. I thought bunnies could dig. This Kenosha house has a really high wall. Jump up, Marvin squeaks. Come on, give it your all. So Tiny jumps up, but comes down with a thump. How odd, Marvin thinks. I thought bunnies could jump. Marvin hasn't figured out the secret yet. There's something not right, Marvin says. Let me see. He scratches his chin and thinks, what can it be? You're not very fast. Well, just look at those legs. And you're not very careful. You've cracked half the eggs. You do not have whiskers. You're no good at hopping. Those ears look quite fake, and that's no bunny dropping. Aha, now I've got it. He jumps to his toes. No bunny is born with a trunk for a nose. Tiny starts crying. He wails, yes, it's true. I thought I could do the things real bunnies do. Don't worry, it's fine, Marvin squeaks, being nice. Do you mind if I offer a little advice? You need to start using the talents you've got. Be proud to be you. Don't be something you're not. Wise words, Marvin. Very wise words. What talent, says Tiny. What things can I do? He blows his big nose and then, achoo! Hurrah! Squeaks Marvin from high in a tree. That wonderful big trunky nose is the key. It's strong and it's long and it picks things up too. It's perfect for seeing this Easter job through. We'll put it to work just as soon as we can. Let's head to Appleton, test out this plan. This house has a fence and this house has a wall, but with Tiny's big nose, there's no problem at all. His long nose lifts up, reaches over the top, and he drops an egg down on the lawn with a plop. And look at that hole in this fence, that'll do. There's room for an egg and a trunk to fit through. Now the job seems quite easy. Well, that's how it goes when an elephant uses his brains and his nose. But daylight is breaking, the sun starts to rise, and home after home stands in front of their eyes. I don't think we'll make it, squeaks Marvin. Oh dear! Hang on, Tiny shouts. I've got a marvelous idea. He sucks all the Easter eggs into his nose, and when his trunk's full, he takes aim, then he blows! Look at those eggs blasting out of his trunk, landing on logs with a thunk, 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 thunk. The basket's soon empty. We did it! Hooray! Come on, let's help Fluff. I hope she's okay. Hey, Fluff, Easter's saved. I will get you out now. Thank you, shouts Fluff, but you'll get me out how? At the side of the pond, Tiny dips in his trunk. He drinks and he drinks till the water's all drunk. And using his nose as a huge water hose, he blows through the log. Look at Fluff, up she goes. Happy Easter, Wisconsin. And Happy Easter, Washington, Eagles. There's one more page. It's a look and find. How many Easter eggs are in this picture? I'll put the book up close. You can pause the video, see if you can find them. I'll give you a hint. There's 5. Alright, I hope you enjoyed Tiny the Wisconsin Easter Bunny, and have a wonderful Easter, everyone. Thanks for watching.